Wala pa sun. So nice in here.
Don't know what the heck it looks like. It's got frost in it.
I want to get the name. Later na kay mag-eat sa ta. Wow.
It's beautiful, eh?
Si Daddy. Thunder Island, where Jesus is always with me.
What? I wonder what that is.
Nice kayo. Well, you cannot wait. We'll have to eat first. There's chair in there. Chairs. Dinis ni Makathoy. Tarong, soy. The last time you were here, you're still a baby. Now you are still a baby. Amazing. Wala like sun. We're waiting for the sun. Indot kaayo. Ngaon sa mi. Char, nagbalon good me. Hi. Hi guys. This is one of my favorite good food in Veresk. Really? Come on, Denise. Mag-eat ka ta. Mag-eat ka. Yeah, there's a seat here na. Oh, white. Come on. Nice kaayo. Okay. Mag-picnic me diri, guys. Wow. Amazing purple.